Nanti hasil recordnya. Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, good morning everybody.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, thank you ya. Thank you for Iris ya. Laptop, I can't connect in to laptop. Yeah, I don't know what's the problem. Maybe in my network, of my phone. For today we continue our material. As we know that our material for today is about question tag and conjunction, and it's easy topic for you. Because question tag is so simple. Just try to know how to make a question tag based on the sentence given. If the sentence in positive, the question tag must in negative. If the sentence in negative, the question tag must in the positive. That's about question tag. And the second topic is about conjunction. In the conjunction, I think it's easy also for you, because when you were in senior high school and junior high school, you have learned about that. And we can use the conjunction if we want to connect or to join, maybe word by word, clause by clause, phrase by phrase, and so on. And related about this one, actually the last group, I mean for the seven group, will deliver and will present about this topic detailedly. So that's why for 7 group, Riris, Vivi, and then I forget their members of group. I think it's better if you can start your presentation class now. Thank you for the 7 group and for the others. Thanks. You can read now. Silakan Riris.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, honorable person, my lecturer, Ms. Chika, and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because of His blessing available to come here to join in this English meeting. Secondly, salawat and salam also delivered to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided for us from the darkness into the brightness. Okay, the presentation today is about question tag and conjunction. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our team. I'm Vivi Fitria as moderator and the last presenter, Riris Melani as the first presenter, and Nurul Amalia as the second presenter. Okay, for the first turn will be given by the first presenter. Silakan, Riris.
Question tag and conjunction. 1. Question tag. Question tag is tailored whose function is to emphasize a statement. Sample. He cannot go now. Can he? Jadi question tag adalah kalimat pertanyaan yang berfungsi untuk memperjelas atau mempertegas sebuah pertanyaan tersebut. Contohnya, he cannot go now. Can he? Ini adalah sebuah kalimat pertanyaan dan yang disebut dengan tag adalah can he yang dapat diartikan sebagai katakan. The main requirements in the question tag. The main requirements in the question tag, if the question sentences is in positive form, then the tag must be in negative form. If the question sentences is in negative form, then the tag must be in negative form. Jadi tips atau hal pertama yang harus kita perhatikan ketika menjumpai kalimat question tag adalah kita lihat dulu apakah pertanyaannya bentuk negatif atau positif. Jika positif, maka tagnya negatif, dan jika kalimatnya negatif, maka tagnya positif. How to create text? Statements, sentences is divided into two. One, with auxiliary. Subject plus auxiliary plus verb plus object with auxiliary not plus subject, or subject plus auxiliary not plus verb plus object, auxiliary plus subject. Sample, she is going to come here, isn't she? Dia datang ke sini kan? Jadi hal yang harus kita lihat adalah she is going to come here. Bentuknya adalah positif. Karena itu tagnya adalah negatif. Auxiliary-nya di sini adalah is. Karena itu bentuk negatif dari is adalah isn't atau is not. Contoh negatifnya, the rains aren't coming back. Are they? The rains aren't coming back. Aren't adalah bentuk negatif. Bentuk maka dari itu tagnya adalah are they atau bentuk positif dari aren't. 2. Without auxiliary. Subject plus verb 1 plus object, do or does not plus subject, or subject plus verb 2 plus object, did not plus subject, or subject plus do or does or did not plus verb plus object, do or does or did plus subject. Sample, she loves me, doesn't she? She loves me adalah bentuk positif, karena itu tagnya adalah negatif. Yang harus kita lihat adalah verb-nya. Loves adalah verb 1, karena itu menggunakan do or does. Dari mana kita tahu do or does? Itu bisa kita lihat dari subjek. She menggunakan does, karena itu bentuknya positif. Tagnya adalah bentuk negatif dari does, yaitu doesn't. He went to school, didn't he? He went to school adalah positif, karena itu tagnya negatif. Yang harus kita lihat juga adalah verb-nya. When merupakan verb to dari go, karena itu kita menggunakan did not atau didn't. Semua subjek dalam jika verb to menggunakan did not. They do not want to join us, do they? Do not adalah bentuk negatif, karena itu tagnya menjadi do, positif. Not 1. When there is someone's name, then use personal pronouns. Jadi ketika kita ngelihat pertanyaan yang diawali dengan name seseorang, names, tagnya menjadi personal pronouns. Example, your father is a teacher, isn't he? Your father, laki-laki. Laki-laki personal pronouns-nya adalah he. Jika contoh ini kita ubah ke your mother is a teacher, isn't she? Your mother adalah perempuan, karena itu personal pronouns-nya menjadi she. If the statement with subject everybody or everyone, everything, anybody or anyone, nobody or no one is repeated in the text to become they. Sample, everybody watch the movie, didn't they? Ketika kita ketemu kalimat pertanyaan yang diawali dengan kata-kata yang bercetak merah, tagnya secara otomatis berubah menjadi they. Yang harus kita perhatikan adalah verb-nya dan juga apakah kalimatnya negatif atau positif. Everybody watch. Watch di sini adalah verb to dari watch, karena itu menggunakan didn't, dan tagnya secara otomatis menjadi they. If the statement is in the form of a command, use tag will you. Jadi kalau pertanyaannya itu dalam bentuk perintah, mau negatif atau positif, tagnya menjadi will you. Sample, be quiet, will you? Don't go away, will you? Not to. Statements starting with let's or let us are repeated in the text shall we. Jadi ketika ada pertanyaan yang diawali dengan let's or let us, tagnya secara otomatis menjadi shall we. Sample, let's see the movie, shall we? A positive statement for I am, the tag is aren't I. Jadi pertanyaan untuk bentuk positif dari I am, tagnya menjadi aren't I. Sample, I am pretty, aren't I? Statement containing the words never, seldom, rarely, hardly, few, and little are considered to have a negative meaning, so the tag used must be in positive form. Jadi kalau ada kalimat pertanyaan dan di dalamnya mengandung kata never, seldom, rarely, hardly, and few, and little, maka kalimat tersebut dianggap sebagai kalimat negatif. Karena itu tag-nya harus dalam bentuk positif. Sample, he never seems to care. Does he? Never adalah bentuk negatif, karena itu tag-nya menjadi does he. Practice about question tag. Let's play futsal in stadion. A, haven't you? B, don't you? C, did you? D, shall we? Kira-kira teman-teman ada yang bisa jawab pertanyaan yang ini? Okay, the answer is D, shall we? Why? Let's play futsal in stadion. The question starts with let's or let us. Karena itu tag-nya secara otomatis menjadi shall we. Yang 2, they will demonstration on 12 February. Will they, won't they, didn't they, isn't they? Jawabannya adalah won't they. The next speaker is Nurul.
To conjunction. Here are some conjunction. Berikut beberapa conjunction yaitu one besides yaitu preposition means in additional to which means after all besides which serves to add information. This was start a noun, pronoun, atau gerund. Kalimat ini semakna dengan in additional to yang berarti jadi pula selain berfungsi untuk menambah informasi. Kata besides mengawali noun, pronoun, atau gerund. Example, besides this house, Vini has a big home. Selain rumah ini, Vini memiliki rumah pantai. To, however, yaitu namun demikian. This word start adjective atau adverbs, yaitu kata however mengawali kata sifat atau kata keterangan. Example, you could not earn much, however hard you work.
You could not earn much.
You could not earn much, however hard you work. 3. Otherwise, sebaliknya, kalau tidak. State the possibility of unexpected consequence if the
unexpected consequences if the previous other statements are not met, yaitu kalimat menyatakan kemungkinan akibat yang tidak diharapkan jika pernyataan sebelumnya tidak terpenuhi. Example, we must be early, otherwise we won't get seat. Kita lebih cepat, kalau tidak, kita tidak akan mendapatkan kursi. For, so, sehingga, oleh karena itu, makanya. So, the consequences of the previous statement, yaitu menunjukkan akibat yang terjadi dari pernyataan sebelumnya. Example, she will always study hard, so she always study hard.
She always study hard, so she can graduate. Dia selalu belajar dengan giat, sehingga dia bisa lulus. Note, if so start adjective atau adverb must be combined with the word that. They run so fast.
Must be combined with the word that.
If to start adjective atau adverb must be with the word that
Next.
Therefore, oleh karenanya. Begin a sentence that show the effect in a cause-effect sentence, yaitu mengawali kalimat yang menunjukkan akibat dalam kalimat sebab akibat. Example, there is fog on Chicago, therefore the place
There is fog on Chicago, therefore the place has been diverted.
There is fog on Chicago, therefore that place has been diverted. Next, my friend Vivi Astuti.
Okay, six still oriented masih namun have the same meaning, namely but, mempunyai arti yang sama yaitu namun. Example, they are ugly and expensive, but are still people buy them. Mereka jelek dan mahal, tetapi masih membelinya. 7. In spite of or walaupun. Contradicting sentence. Menunjukkan kalimat yang bertentangan. To touch is followed by a clause in spite of or despite starts phrase or noun or gerund. Example, although it was windy, he continued the voice. In spite of or despite the voice, he continued the voice. Memiliki arti yang sama yaitu meskipun berangin, dia melanjutkan pelayaran. Number 8, for, because, since, karena.
Since. Bukan science. Since. Science nanti IPA ya, pengetahuan alam.
Use in cause effect sentence. Digunakan dalam kalimat sebab akibat. Example, because it was wet, he took a taxi. Karena basah, dia naik taksi. Number 9, as, why, when. Ketika, setelah, sementara. Shows the times when something happened. Menunjukkan waktu saat terjadinya sesuatu. Example, my father came as or when I was studying. Saya datang ketika saya sedang belajar. Number 10, whereas. Padahal. Example, she can't travel whereas she has a lot of money. Dia tidak bisa bertagihan padahal dia banyak uang. Okay, next question about conjunction. Number 1, blank, I had my lunch. I didn't miss pizza. The answer is A, of top. The answer is A because it shows the constructing point of the context. I did not miss eating pizza even though I had the lunch already. Itu jawabannya A. Karena itu menunjukkan titik konversi dari konteksnya. Saya tidak ketinggalan makan pizza meskipun saya sudah makan siang. Okay, number 2. The used car is very cheap. Blank, I want to buy it. The answer is D. Because it shows the cause and effect. The used car is very cheap. Therefore, also I want to buy it. Jawabannya D. Karena itu menunjukkan sebab dan akibat. Mobil bekas itu sangat murah, oleh karena itu saya ingin membelinya. Okay, finally, Thank you for all of the presenters. Well, we are come to the opinion question and answer session. Any question maybe?
Okay, for those who wants to ask some questions, yeah, you can ask them, and then for group 7 will be answer, yeah. Okay, we wait for your answer, guys. Come on. Question, please. Or maybe all of you have understood about all of this material. Halo, tidak ada yang bertanya, berarti sudah paham semuanya ya? Henry, ada yang mau ditanyakan nggak?
Ya, Miss.
Enggak. Vivi, kamu tadi kamu presentasi. Hai Rani, kamu ada yang mau ditanya nggak?
Nothing, Miss.
Sudah paham semua, berarti sudah paham semua ya? Gampang ya materinya ya. Saya rasa pun Riris dan kawan-kawan sudah jelas tadi menyampaikannya. Memang tidak ada. Kalau tidak ada berarti sudah mantap, berarti sudah paham, berarti udah bisa lah mengerjakan tasknya. If you don't have any question, I think it's better, Riris, you can close your presentation. Oh, Vivi ya, Vivi moderator ya, sorry. Ya, Vivi.
Okay. Finally, we are come to the last agenda. We would like to say thanks again for presenter, all of the audience for active participation. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for your chance. Thanks for your participation, yeah. Especially for 7 group, yeah, Vivi, Riris, and Nurul. Thanks for your explaining. I think it's clearly explaining, yeah. Just talk about the question tag and conjunction. Easy topic, yeah. Just try to identify which one is the positive, and then the question tag must be negative. Yeah, and then meanwhile for the sentence in negative, so you must make your question tag must in the positive. But in that case, you must give your attention in the auxiliary, in the to be, in the tenses, yeah, or maybe in the modal. That's the point. And then relates about conjunction. I think it's easy also, yeah. Just try to look at the sentence and then try to identify which one is the correct here, and based on the sentence given, yeah. We can use the conjunction if we want try to connect or join, yeah, word by word, maybe in the equals, maybe, or maybe in subordinating, yeah. Or maybe in the pairs conjunction, you can choose the conjunction based on the sentence given. And in the TOEFL test, if there are some sentence, yeah, in grammar, you must analyze, yeah, actually you must analyze which one is the best answer, yeah. And I think, yeah, easy topic, yeah, not too complicated, yeah. And because you don't have any question, I think a lot you have understood, yeah. And then now you can check the tasks in Google Classroom. I will give you some tasks, yeah. You can check and do it, Yeah, for Riris, thanks ya. And also don't forget to fill your attendance. Okay? Okay, guys? Yeah. For Riris, don't forget to upload ya in your YouTube link for this recording, and after that you can send the link YouTube to me. That's why I will upload it into our Google Classroom. Ya, Riris ya. Okay. The last I say thanks and I close our class. I'm so sorry if I made some mistakes in my explanation or my speaking. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day, everyone. Have a nice day for today.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, bye. I close our class. Yeah, thank you, Riris. Yeah, thank you for your all here. Bye bye. See you next meeting.